Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, meron tayong example ng pagkuha ng derivative ng hyperbolic functions, no? So essentially, kung ano yung pagkuha natin derivative ng mga ibang functions, ganun din, no? We will also use the product rule, the chain rule, and the quotient rule kung necessary. Okay? So let's start. So y prime is 2. Then again, we will use the product rule. Okay, so d left right times d right left. No? So, kopyahin natin, sinh x, derivative ng tan hx is sec squared x. Plus, kopyahin natin yung right, so tan hx times derivative ng sinh x, which is cos x. Okay? So, here, we can try and simplify. So, y prime is 2 sinh x sec squared x. So, wala na tayong magagawa dyan. Pero yung tan h, pwede natin gawing sinh x all over cos x times cos x. Okay? And yung cos x magka-cancel here. Okay? So, we now have y prime equals 2 times sinh x sec squared x plus sinh x. And we can just simply factor out things. So we have y prime is equal to 2 sinh x times sec squared x plus 1. Okay? So ito na yung magiging final na derivative natin of 2 sinh x tan hx. Okay? So we just used the product rule and simplified some terms to get to the final answer. Okay? So yung pagkuha ng ganitong derivative ng mga hyperbolic functions is again just the same ng mga iba. So kailangan kabisaduhin nyo lang kung ano yung derivative ng mga certain hyperbolic functions. Okay? So see you in the next video.